وزیر اعظم شہباز شریف ان قائدین میں سے ایک ہیں جنہوں نے اپنی انتھک محنت، غیر معمولی انتظامی صلاحیتوں اور عالمی سطح پر فعال سفارتکاری کے ذریعے نہ صرف پاکستان کی نئی شناخت قائم کی بلکہ خود کو ایک بین الاقوامی رہنما کے طور پر منوایا۔ شہباز شریف کا یہ مقام کسی حادثے کا نتیجہ نہیں بلکہ ایک طویل صبر آزما اور مسلسل جدوجہد کی داستان ہے جو صوبہ پنجاب کے وزیر اعلیٰ کے منصب سے شروع ہو کر وزارت عظمیٰ اور پھر عالمی قیادت کے ایوانوں تک جا پہنچا۔ وزیر اعظم پاکستان شہباز شریف کی اقوام متحدہ کی جنرل اسمبلی سے خطاب کی ویڈیو اقوام متحدہ کے یوٹیوب چینل پر دنیا بھر کے رہنماؤں میں سب سے زیادہ دیکھی جانے والی ویڈیو بن گئی ہے۔
India sought to extract political gains from a human tragedy by spurning my sincere offer of an independent international investigation into the Pahalgam incident. Instead, it attacked our cities and targeted our innocent civilians. When our territorial integrity and national security were violated, our response was in accordance with the right of self-defense under Article 51 of United Nations Charter. Our valiant armed forces, under the stellar leadership of Field Marshal Syed Asim Munir, mounted an operation of stunning professionalism, bravery and acumen. Repulsing the enemy's attack under Air Chief Marshal Zahir Babar Sidhu, our falcons took flight and etched their answer across the skies, resulting in 7 of the Indian jets turned to scrap and dust. A decisive response.
26 ستمبر کو یوٹیوب پر اپلوڈ کیے جانے کے بعد سے اب تک وزیر اعظم شہباز شریف کی تقریر کو 13 لاکھ یعنی 1.3 ملین سے زائد مرتبہ دیکھا جا چکا ہے۔
The catastrophic floods of 2022 and 2025 this year are glaring examples of loss and damage caused due to climate change. Pakistan, to the contrary, my honorable guests in this hall and through the cameras around the globe, Pakistan contributes less than 1% of global emissions annually, yet it continues to face the relentless brunt and muddy waves of climate change. And then we are told to borrow loans and add on to our debt, huge debt pillars we have over the period of time. This is not fairness. This is not equality. This is not justice. This is not fair play. How can you expect a country which is a developing country facing humongous flood challenges every year due to climate change and no fault of ours, and yet we are told to borrow more loans? I think borrowing loan would be destroying your economy. We will be better off than not borrowing loan and standing on our own feet, working hard, tirelessly, blood and sweat, and we will inshallah make Pakistan a great country, inshallah.
دوسرے نمبر پر امریکی صدر ڈونلڈ ٹرمپ کا 23 ستمبر کو جنرل اسمبلی سے خطاب ہے جسے 4,58,000 بار دیکھا گیا۔
Thank you very much for being here. Madam President, Mr. Secretary General, First Lady of the United States, distinguished delegates, ambassadors, and world leaders. 6 years have passed since I last stood in this grand hall and addressed a world that was prosperous and at peace in my first term. Since that day, the guns of war have shattered the peace I forged on 2 continents. An era of calm and stability gave way to one of the great crises of our time. And here in the United States, 4 years of weakness, lawlessness, and radicalism under the last administration delivered our nation into a repeated set of disasters. 1 year ago, our country was in deep trouble, but today, just 8 months into my administration, we are the hottest country anywhere in the world, and there is no other country even close. America is blessed with the strongest economy, the strongest borders, the strongest military, the strongest friendships, and the strongest spirit of any nation on the face of the earth. This is indeed the golden age of America. We are rapidly reversing the economic calamity we inherited from the previous administration, including ruinous price increases and record-setting inflation. Inflation like we've never had before. Under my leadership, energy costs are down, gasoline prices are down, grocery prices are down, mortgage rates are down, and inflation has been defeated. The only thing that's up is the stock market, which just hit a record high. In fact, it hit a record high 48 times in the last short period of time.
तीसरे नंबर पर थाईलैंड के वजीर खारजा सेहासिक फोंग कीत क्यू का खिताब है, जिसे 27 सितंबर के बाद से 2,77,000 बार देखा गया। वजीर आजम शहबाज शरीफ ने अपने जामे खिताब में भारत के गैर कानूनी जेर तसल्लुत जम्मू और कश्मीर के मसले, गजा की सूरत हाल, माहौलियाती तब्दीली और आलमी माशी बहरान पर बात की।
Pakistan firmly supports the demand of the Palestinian people for the establishment of a sovereign Palestinian state with pre-1967 borders and Al-Quds Sharif as its capital. Palestine can no longer remain under Israeli shackles. It must be liberated and liberated with full commitment and with full force.
पाकिस्तानी वजीर आजम ने गजा में इसराइली जारहियत की शदीद मजम्मत की और फौरी और मुस्तकिल जंग बंदी का मुतालबा भी किया। सच्चल न्यूज़ नेटवर्क की वीडियोस में खुश आमदेद। नाजरीन, वीडियो से मुतालिक अपनी कीमती राय का इजहार कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।